Welcome again. It's me, Platinum VI. Welcome back to Platinum TV. Today, we're back on the same Silverado Chevy truck. We're doing suspension today. So what we're changing out today, changing out these links. As I showing yesterday, there was no good. And then from the links, we got those complete. We're going to change out the shocks, the rear shocks, which this one was leaking. So we'll change them out as a pair. So come on, let's go. We'll show you how easy it is to get it done. Tools that you're gonna need: 15mm socket, 15mm wrench. I'm using a Gen 1 parts. It's the same length right here. So these are what we're gonna install first, but we gotta get up here and remove those out the way, that one and this one. So we're about to remove those right now. So let's get started. All right, so what I'm gonna do, 15mm wrench. I'm gonna put it up top, up here. 15mm socket with an impact to the bottom. And we're gonna just bust it loose. Once it comes loose, take the top nut off. You just pull the pin out. That's it. Once you pull the pin, you're supposed to be able to slide this out, but it's kind of stuck. So we might have to loosen up the swivel links to get it out. But let's bust the other side apart right now while we're here. So right here, we're going to repeat the same process. Put the wrench to the top, socket to the bottom, bust that loose, take the top nut off. Pull the pin out. As you can see, the bar moves now. So as we get these out, now it's time for installation. So here we're about to take this out. So when you get these, they already came assembled. So you're going to assemble it, take it apart and assemble it the same way. As you see when you're taking it apart, see that blue stuff? That is Loctite. That's what locks it in place. It basically comes disassembles already. So what we do, take this piece, put it in the middle. We take the ball and we push it up from the bottom straight to the top. Then we take the top nut, screw it on. So that side is in. Let's go to the other side. So while you're putting these in, how I just put the other side in, do not tighten it. Just make sure you get a couple threads in so you can have enough room to move this in case you have to. So we take this one, the whole piece, and it do come apart. You can pull it apart. It's better just to put it in assembled already for that part, for the two bushings. You just take it, lift the rod, and you line it up. You take the long rod with the bushing to the bottom. And you push that up through the holes. Then you take the top bushing with a nut and put it on to the top. And that's it. All left to do now is to tighten it. So all we do now, same 15, same process. Put it on the top, put this on the bottom. tight. Now we do the next side. This is very easy to do. Same thing. All done. Very easy to do, simple. You don't have to use air tools. You can use ratchet, hand tools, cordless tools. It's all the same. Very easy. So the fronts are done. Now we're about to go start on the rear shocks. All right, so we're here. Let's move on to the rear shocks now. You're gonna need 21 socket, 21 range, extension, A tool or ratchet, shocks. We're about to remove these. Let's get it done. Let's get started. Alright. First thing you want to do, you just bust the nuts off. Put the wrench on the back side. Yeah, ratchet there. And just take that loose. Now you gotta reuse your nuts and your bolts, so don't throw them away. Now that was the bottom, now we gotta release the top. Same process. Yeah. And if you're wondering, you might want to put some glasses on or something, because dust falls from the top. But take all that out. Once you get it loose, that's the top bolt. It's the bottom bolt. Once you get it, it falls right out. Just pull it right out. Same thing. You just put it back in reverse. Let's push that up. Put the bolt back in. So now the top bolt in. Now the strut is all the way down. So now we're gonna compress it back up in order for it to go in here. So what you just want to do, just push up on the strut and compress. Once you get it, it will sit in there. So once you get it up in there, you just use a screwdriver or something to help you push it up some more, to line it up to the hole. And that's it. Put the bolt in, then you get the nut. Put the nut on the back side. Once you get there, same thing. Just tighten it up now. And as you can see all the dust falling, that's why I say you can wear some safety goggles if you don't want it to fall in your eye. But this one side is done. Now it's time to do the next side. Alright, so we're here on the next side, same process. Put the wrench, remove. Save the nut. next thing. You cannot mix the bolts up. They're both the same sizes, same length. So they can go anywhere, top, bottom, bottom, top. Doesn't matter, same length. Now that's out, you just repeat the process. Just pop that up in there. Find your hole, put the bolt in. Once you get it, compress. Put it up in there, take a screwdriver. Take a screwdriver, push it up to line it up, put your bolt in there. Once you're done, make sure you put your nut back on. Use your wrench, socket, tighten. Bottom finished, now you do the same as the top. And suspension is done. Rear shocks are in, front stabilizer links are in, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you guys in the shop. Make it done quick, easy, get your money. Thanks for watching this Platinum VI TV. I'm out. 340 representing all day. See y'all done. I'm out.